I was asked by a client, how do you back up Act SaaS? And that's SaaS, Software as a Service, which is Act's web-only version of Act. It's purely web-based. So if you were a long-time Act user, you are knowledgeable in the fact that you can back up your Act database either manually or you can schedule it to happen daily or weekly, however you see fit. But with this version that's web-based, that option isn't available. You cannot back it up. And when I talk about backup, what I mean is this. Each one of these is a field. And if you've added a lot of fields, you can take all that information and export it out to Excel. And I'll show you that in a different tutorial. So you can take all your field data, anything that's in a field, and throw it out to an Excel file. What will not come out of that approach is all the underlying data, like the histories, the notes, the activities, all that past information that could be relevant to you. So to do that, what you do is you have to request a backup. And my experience has been that Act is really good at getting you this backup. The way you do that is you go up to the top right and you click on My Account. When you do that, a new tab will open with your account information. Over here on the left-hand side, there are three options: projects, billing, or support. You click on the support. And once you're in support, all you do is type in the information you want. Backup. And I'm going to actually do this right now. And really, that's it. I don't put it a lot in this. I just put in, I want a backup. I type in thank you, just to fill in this form because it has an asterisk. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to click on submit. That's all I do. And I click submit. I say confirm. And now this is going to be sent over to the folks at Act. And typically, it's never been more than 24 hours. And generally, I've found it's usually about 4 to 8 hours. I will get a file that I can download that is a backup of all my Act data. Now that backup is something that has to be opened with Act software. It's an Act software backup. So that's how you back up your data. Also, when you come in here for support, if you have questions and you want to submit a question, you can submit it here. Notice I didn't fill in my name or email or phone, any of this information, just because they have it. They know that information because of the way it's submitted through this form. They're going to have some background information they'll get. So that's all you do to get a backup. It's really quite easy, and for a lot of people, it's easier than having to do it manually or by schedule in Act, the traditional desktop version. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.